Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're delving into rugged smartphones with the impressive new offering from Doogee, the Doogee V30 Pro. Let's take a deeper look at what sets this phone apart. First, let's unpack it. The phone box reveals a massive 512GB storage and a hefty 32GB of RAM, promising exceptional performance. Inside the box, we have the phone itself. Along with that, you'll find all the extras you need, from a screen protector to essential documents, ensuring your device stays safe. This is the 33-watt power adapter and a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. Now, let's zoom in on its standout features. Featuring a stunning 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display, get ready for vibrant colors and sharp visuals that truly bring your content to life. The rapid 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling, whether you're browsing social media or streaming videos. Thanks to Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, scratches and cracks are the least of your worries. Plus, elevate your selfie game with the impressive 32-megapixel front camera. However, it's not just about aesthetics. It's built to withstand tough conditions. With its rugged design and durable build, it's prepared for any challenges it may face. Tailor your experience with the TFC card slot and the innovative red button for quick access to your favorite features. Unlock your device effortlessly using the rapid side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Let's check out the awesome cameras on the back of the Doogee V30 Pro. It has 3 main cameras and an LED flash, with the star being the 200-megapixel ultra-clear main camera. This camera takes stunning photos of landscapes and people effortlessly. There's also a 24-megapixel night vision camera that works great in low light, thanks to special technology. And don't forget the 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and the macro camera, which let you take cool pictures of big scenes or small details. Plus, the phone has lots of cool photo features like night mode and pro mode, so you can get creative with your shots. And if you want to take pictures underwater, this phone can handle it. When it comes to videos, the Doogee V30 Pro can shoot in super high-quality 4K resolution, and it's really good at keeping videos steady, even if your hand shakes a little. Let's not forget about its powerhouse performance. With a flagship-grade processor and 5G capabilities, you'll experience lightning-fast speeds and seamless multitasking. Storage won't be an issue with the ample 512GB of internal space, expandable up to 2 TB with a micro SD card. Sporting IP68 certification, this phone can handle drops, water, dust, and more with ease. Keep going all day long with the massive 10,800 mAh battery and fast charging support. Enjoy lightning-fast speeds and enhanced battery life with Wi-Fi 6 technology. And with Android 13 on board, expect a secure and seamless user experience. If you're ready to elevate your smartphone game, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.